Guys, again to this new video. So it's been a long time. I was a little bit busy somewhere, some extra projects going on. So, but now today we will be resuming our Power BI learning journey. So today we will be working on a basic calculate column, how we can use a calculate column in Power BI. So what are calculated columns? Calculated columns are those columns which are not in your data set, but you can add extra column in Power BI with some mathematical conditions and mathematical stuff to get whatever you want. So for example, right now we do have this building table. So what we will do, first we will get this building table and we will have one new column added here. So for example, we now have floors above ground and floors below ground. So for each building, we will have a new column where we will show them the total floors. So I will just name it as total floors, right? And then I will add floors above ground and floors below ground. So it will give us the total for example, right now 54 plus 0, 54, 86 plus 7, 93. So right now we are getting the total floors. Now, what if we want to get average height of the floors? So let's say I will rename one more column, average height of floor. So we will divide height column, which is this one, divided by floors above ground, right? If I click enter, then you can see that these are the heights in meters. So if I just take one table and if I go to the problem here, and we need to add this table, building name, sum of total floors, average total floors, right? So what I will do, I will take one building name, right? And then total floors and average height for the floor. So we will match the numbers with this. So if I just sort it by descending order, and if we check with this solution, so yeah, one vendor built 66 floors and 6.89, 66 floors and 6.89. Same goes for Bank of America, Emirates Office Towers. So this is how you use calculate columns in a simple way.